Math Challenge. Hello everyone, welcome to Sase Math. Today we are solving 6 minus 6 divided by 12 times 3. At a glance, you will be tempted to go left to right. That is, 6 minus 6 will give us 0, divided by 12 will also give us 0, times 3 will finally give us 0. This is wrong because according to order of operation, division and multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, and in this case we begin with subtraction. That is why the answer is wrong. We ought to solve the division and multiplication before we solve the subtraction. Having said that, let's solve it together. We have to follow the order of operation called PEMDAS or BODMAS, depend on your country. P here stands for parenthesis, is the first order. After that, we'll solve the exponent, something like 2 square. Next will be multiplication and division. They're in the same level, so we work from left to right. Finally, we work addition and subtraction. They're also in the same level, so we work from left to right. We begin with this division before we solve multiplication. Looking at it from there, left, division came first. So we have 6 minus 6 over 12 times 3. 6 into 6 is 1. 6 into 12 is 2. So here we have 6 minus 1 over 2 times 3. We now work the multiplication. 1 times 3 will give us 3. So we have 6 minus 3 over 2. Now let's call this over 1. The common denominator here is 2. And then 1 into 2 is 2. 2 times 6 is 12. Minus 2 into 2 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 12 minus 3 will give us 9 over 2. And 9 over 2, 2 can go in 9 4 times. So 4 whole number, remain 1 there, 1 over 2. This is the correct answer. Kindly subscribe.